Is that the lack of mentorship that we had even coming up. So the thing is that me and Jamal was in college, but it wasn't no guys who graduated that came back to the campus to talk to us and tell us how to navigate through corporate world. We kind of had to learn it on our own. Even in college we had to learn it on our own. The thing is that we was renting the houses, we taking out student loans, we got visas and MasterCards, we killing our credit, we taking crazy. We didn't have no guys that was ahead of us that can guide us and navigate us. So that's what I want to come back and do for these dudes. I want to tell them that maybe college isn't practical for him. He can crush it now. By the time he graduate and do all of this stuff, it may be too late. He can start it now. I know college students that they graduate, they don't have a resume done. They LinkedIn not filled out. So by the time you go through college 4 years, then get out trying to look for a job, doing your resume, this guy over here got 4 years of content. So I let them know the days of moving towards a resume with bullet points, that's over with. They're going to pull up your Instagram and see what you got going on, and see that you got videos of what he's going through. I'm designing today. I don't feel like it. I just came up with this idea. I don't want to go off into a tangent, but executives, you just do a little due diligence. He could shoot an email, because I'm already telling you, you could shoot an email to Nike look, I got some concepts and some ideas for some shoes. I'm 13. They're going to take you serious, because who's doing this? I just want them to know that they have this option available to them. You don't have to wait, son. You can make money now. The problem is that the youth think that they got to be grown to make money. Y'all ain't got to wait to make money. Y'all can make money now. We should have did a Q&A instead of me up there talking. I crushed this.